Challenge. The tower must span a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter opening on the mounting table.
The first model of the tower, we kind of messed up the dimensions on the bottom half. So we made a prototype to find out the proper dimensions, find out the proper length of the tower, how long each of the sticks needs to be, and so on.
Before we drew the scale tower, we marked the dimensions on the piece of graph paper taped to the poster board to make sure that our dimensions were correct. We precisely measured each stick to make sure that the pressure throughout our tower was produced evenly and that no other extra pressure was produced on our tower. In order to apply glue to our balsa wood, we created an apparatus to apply the glue to each end of the stick to attach to our tower. The portion of the tower more than 20 centimeters above the mounting table must pass through an 8 centimeter diameter opening. The tower must support a loading block 60 centimeters above the mounting table.
So with our tower, what we were able to do is we were able to double beam it on both sides on our side panels. This way there would be support on both sides of the tower instead of just one. And this was spread across all the way to the top. Another feature we were able to do is through our horizontal side panels, we were able to make sure that the force wouldn't be spread across sideways, but it would also be spread down.